Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain that in Java, objects cannot be created for abstract classes. So let's get started. We can create objects for the normal classes in Java. But when you try to create objects for abstract classes in Java, it is not possible. You are going to get the compiler errors. Okay. So you will get compiler compiler errors in Java when you try to create objects for abstract classes. This is what, okay? Let me demonstrate this practically so that you will understand this concept. This is very important, guys. A lot of people think that we can create objects for the abstract classes, but that is not possible. Okay? So what will happen? I'm going to show you practically. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. In the previous session, I created this class, right? Abstract class containing few abstract methods and few general normal non-abstract methods having some implementation. These abstract methods can't have the implementation, so there is a class X having some abstract methods and general methods. Okay, that's fine. After that, I created one more class here in the previous session, which I made the child of this class X. So since I made the class Y as a child of the class X, all the abstract methods in the parent class X should be overridden, okay, should be implemented by overriding them in the child class. Like this we have to implement. Okay, here A, B, C doesn't have implementation because they are abstract methods. They need to be implemented in the child class. With the concept of overriding, you have to do that. All good, right? All good so far. Now I'm going to create one more class, demo class, with main method. Let's say I want to run the code. So now here from this main method I would like to create an object for the class X. Is it possible for me to create an object for this class X, which is an abstract class? The answer is no. If you try to do so, you'll get compiler errors. For example, new, what is the name of the class for which I want to create the object? That is abstract class X, right? Class X. Okay, circular bracket, put a semicolon. You see, I'm getting an error here. Hover the mouse on this, you see, cannot instantiate the type class X. That means you cannot create the object for the class X. That's what it is saying. You cannot create the object for the class X. Okay, so Cx is equal to whatever you do, guys. You cannot create object for the abstract classes in Java. I'll be simply getting this kind of error. This is what happens. So it is not possible. You are getting the compiler error saying that you cannot instantiate the type class X. That means you cannot create the object for the class X because it's abstract class. Now, there's a question. Okay, if you are not able to create an object for the class X, how to access all this abstract methods and non-abstract methods of this class X then? With the help of the child class, guys. Okay, you cannot create the object, and using the object reference you cannot access all this stuff, right? Because class X is abstract class. I cannot create the object, and if I'm not able to create the object, I cannot use object reference to access all these methods. Then what I have to do if I still want to access this methods of this class X? I need to take the help of the class Y. Class Y is a child class of the class X. Since the class Y is a child class of the class X, it is inheriting all the properties or methods of this class X. Okay, and if any methods are not implemented, they got implemented in the class Y. And here class Y is not an abstract class, you can clearly see, because it is implementing all the abstract methods of the parent class. So here already these are inherited into the class Y. These two methods which are already implemented are simply inherited. These are also inherited, but they don't have the implementation. So here child class is providing the implementation for these abstract methods. Okay, so total in class Y there are total 5 methods having the implementation. And now class Y is a child class of the class X. Class Y is a child class of the class X. So I can create an object for the class Y with its child class. You see, I don't get any error here. You see, am I getting an error? No. Okay, Cy is equal to, I'll declare this by class Y here, and Cy dot, I can access all the methods of the class X which are inherited into the class Y. Okay, Cy dot sample A, Cy dot sample B, Cy dot sample C, Cy dot sample D, Cy dot sample E. You see, I can access. No problem. Okay. But you cannot create object directly for the abstract classes. You have to create the object for the child class of the abstract classes, so that using the object reference of that child classes, you can access all the properties of the class X which are inherent into the class Y. This is the way that people will follow. But in Java, we cannot directly create objects for the abstract classes. You see, you got the output without any problem. Everything got printed properly. A, B, C got printed. Sample A, B, C, and D also got printed. Everything got printed. Okay. So objects cannot be created for abstract classes. Okay, you'll get compiler errors in Java when you try to create objects directly for the abstract classes. In that case, if you still want to access the properties of the abstract classes, you have to create the child class and implement all the abstract methods of the child class, parent class, and then you need to create the object for the child class and access all the inherited properties from the child class. Okay, this is what is a solution. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.